Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a good day to Sir Ramadan and the audience. We all from Group 1 would like to present about hormones diet. Dieting is the practice of eating food in a controlled manner in order to lose, maintain, or gain weight, or to prevent and treat diseases such as diabetes and obesity. Because weight loss is determined by calorie intake, various calorie-reduced diets such as the stressing specific macronutrients have been demonstrated to be no more effective than one another. The first popular diet was called Banting after William Banting. He explained the details of a specific low-carbohydrate, low-calorie diet that contributed to his own significant weight loss in his 1863 pamphlet.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatina Tashamti Rizwan and I'll be talking about the history of hormone. In 1902, William Bayliss and Ernest Stalin discovered that secretin, an endogenous secretin, was released into the blood from the duodenum's endocrine cells in reaction to the transfer of acidic fluid from the stomach to the intestine. Next is the discovery of hormone diet. The hormone diet was developed by gynecologist Sarah Gottfried with the goal of resetting metabolic hormones to promote weight loss. The 21-day regimen is essentially an elimination diet in which meat, alcohol, fruit, grains, and dairy must be avoided in order to rectify hormonal imbalance. That's all from me.
The Hormone Diet is a book and a diet program by Dr. Natasha Turner, a neopathic doctor. It is a primary focus on a hormonal fluctuation that may negatively affect a person's weight. It also focuses on other factors that can contribute to weight gain and other chronic disease. The Hormone Diet is a 6-week, 3-step process designed to promote hormonal balance and an overall healthier body through diet, exercise, nutritional supplements, and detoxification. The diet regulates what you eat and also tells you the right time to eat to ensure maximum benefits to your hormones.
Hello, my name is Karen Morris and I'll be presenting about concept of hormones diet. So, hormones diet has a food blend that called as glycemic by Dr. Natasha Turner, and this is because it consists of foods that low glycemic index and a traditional Mediterranean diet.
Food that you can eat are lean from protein like chicken breast, eggs, fish. Some vegetable eat fruits and nuts. In hormone diets, it need consume some fat, and last but not least, food that best from whole grain.
My name is Dania Kisina. I am going to present about the do's of hormone diets. Do's of hormone diets. Foods that can eat while having the hormone diet is naturally gluten-free grains and starches, most vegetables, most fruits, beans, nuts and seeds other than peanuts, poultry, fish, soy, eggs, plant milk, dairy from sheep or goat, and certain oils. Other than foods that we can do in hormone diet is drink a lot of water and start meals with soups or salads, and try yoga twice a week.
During phase 1, people have to avoid gluten-containing grains, dairy products made from cow's milk, many oils, alcohol, caffeine, peanuts, sugar, artificial sweeteners, red meat, and citrus fruits. Meanwhile, phase 2 and 3, people should avoid high fructose corn syrup, fish with high mercury levels, non-organic meats, non-organic coffee, raisins, dates, and peanuts.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Farah Lorita binti Muhammad Ismailo. I will be explaining the first supportive evidence of hormones diet. So the evidence is found by the Headline E magazine and is reviewed by Maya Feller, a health nutritionist. She stated that 2 key goals of hormones diet are, the first one is to reduce inflammation and the second one is for insulin resistance. So why highly processed food ineffective in hormones diet. The first one, it will contribute to a greater weight gain, which means we have a higher calorie dense, and of course it dysfunctionates in hunger hormones. And the second one, for insulin resistant, the body will start to ignore hormone insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. On top of that, it's also increased to weight gain due to it also diminish effectiveness and trigger fat storage. However, there's no evidence found that hormones diet is effective, but there's of course a certain process for you to take in order to such as avoiding highly processed food in order to make sure that the diet is effective enough. However, there's no stronger evidence found that hormones diet is effective for mankind.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amira Zalia from HM2413B. I'm going to talk about the second supportive evidence that the hormone diet is not effective. In researching hormone diets, I come across this article from the Washington Post. Some of these hormone diets ban the usual suspects such as sugar and sweetened foods and beverages, along with all grains, potatoes and sweet potatoes, beans and lentils, milk and most fruit, that might require the purchase of supplements that come with no evidence supporting their efficacy or safety. So, do hormone diets lead to quick and easy weight loss? Frank Mavis Jarvis, a professor of medicine at Tulane University's medical school, said that he doesn't know of any diet that will change hormone levels in a way that these hormone changes will be instrumental in promoting weight loss. Why is the hormone story such a complicated one? Hormones are chemical messengers that coordinate or control processes throughout your body. There are at least 60 different hormones in humans, and we're only beginning to understand how what we eat affects them. Sunil Koliwat is an associate professor of endocrinology at the University of California at San Francisco Diabetes Center. He mentioned that it's premature at this point to think anyone knows exactly what components of the diet are needed to manipulate a variety of hormones across the board in specific ways. He also said that the studies haven't been done yet. Therefore, diets that claim to hack your hormones for weight loss don't have the evidence to back it up.
So the last evidence that I can show to you that hormone diet is not an effective is with this e-news from University of Huddersfield titled Hormone Diets Are All the Rage, But Do They Actually Work? By Dr. Robert Nafton, Senior Lecturer of Sport, Exercise and Nutrition Sciences, University Huddersfield. In the bulletin, he said that weight loss or body fat loss is achieved by creating a calorie deficit, not by resetting your hormone balance. Hormonal imbalances are usually the result of more serious health conditions such as diabetes or hypothyroidism, which could not simply fixed through a diet. They might require medical treatment. Dr. Nofton also said that currently there is no viable theory to demonstrate that a person can reset their hormones to influence fat loss. There is also no peer-reviewed research in a major journal that has specifically studied the hormone diet and its effect. So in my opinion, if you wanted to lose weight, you should focus on creating a calorie deficit, not hormone diet. How? Maybe it varies from person to person.